Hello everyone. So today we are here with the solutions of IIT JEE Advanced 2020. A very nice paper. Let us go with the first question of paper 1. The topic is complex numbers. Quickly run through the question. In the meantime, let me just have a small diagram for us for reference, although not very much required. The question says for a complex number z, let real part of z, REZ denotes the real part of z. Set of all complex numbers is S that satisfies this particular equation. Let us analyze this particular equation, what this is more like. So the equation says z raised to 4 minus modulus of z raised to 4 is equal to 4 iota times z square, isn't it? And iota is the minimum possible value. Iota is root of -1. Minimum possible value mod of z1 minus z2 whole square. Z1 is the complex number with positive real part and z2 with the negative real part. Before going ahead with anything, let us first try to analyze what has actually happened here. This gets factorized as z square minus modulus of z square into z square plus modulus of z square is equal to 4 iota times z square. What I do is I keep this 4 iota here and bring down the z square and give it to these two expressions separately. Now when I go ahead with this, so this becomes z minus modulus of z square can be written as z into z conjugate upon z into z plus again z into z conjugate upon z is equal to 4 iota, which would simply imply that this is z minus z conjugate, this is 2 iota times imaginary part of z into this is z plus z conjugate, which is 2 times real part of z is equal to 4 iota, which implies that the real part of z into the imaginary part of z, the product is 1. Now if you look at this particular expression, then we quickly understand from Cartesian coordinate geometry that the locus is a rectangular hyperbola where the abscissa and ordinate, the real and imaginary part of z when multiplied give 1. If z1 lies here and z2 lies here, the minimum value of mod of z1 minus z2 as is the distance between them would occur when they are along the common normal, and but obvious this is the situation when the length is minimum. Now if I take this point by observation as 1 comma 1, which is very easy for a JEE advanced aspirant who is writing JEE advanced for him to understand. So this length is coming out to be root 2. So obviously mod of z1 minus z2 is double of it, and the whole square is 2 root 2 square, that is 8. So the answer to the first question should be 8.